Now this is how you can take good selfies with your Android phone, and let's get into it. So more things kind of have to go into this, but of course a lot of people stick with the default camera app, and in there you can do a bunch of different things, of course. So first of all, you get inside in here, and for me it literally tells me, and it gives me a pop-up that I'm supposed to clean my lens for better pictures. So this would also actually be my tip as well. Just pay attention to clean lens so you end up with good photos. Then you have some controls and settings. So you can click on the gear and, I don't know, like enable the grids or change some settings. So you can see we've got grid lines and stuff like that, but there isn't really much inside of the gear icon for me. So we can explore some other options, right? So you can use this like double person icon to zoom out a little bit more. That's a good step as well. And then also play around with the filters. Like there are plenty of different filters which might make your selfies not necessarily like better objectively, but it will give a different feel and vibe. Plus you also have some facial smoothness and like contours and like tones and all of the adjustments right here, which are also useful for a lot of people. And we also have the natural and bright color tone. So if you want to pop the colors a little bit more, you can adjust the brightness, right? So this is the built-in camera, but you can also explore some other options like the open camera app, or a lot of people just go to Snapchat directly for all of these selfie capabilities there, where you essentially have a bunch of different filters and so many things to play with. It's just much more extensive than the built-in camera application. So let me know what you think. These were my tips. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and let me know below in the comments your opinion. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.